Got him.
What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of some more parts that I got for the iron. So let's just go right into it. I haven't even opened this bad boy yet. So what should be in here, hopefully should be in here. Actually, I need that, right? I need that. This.
Ooh, stickers.
Stickers. Alright, so what I ordered was the Arlen Ness Monster Sucker. It looks like some kind of cover. Boxes on boxes on boxes.
I think that's the good part.
Should be the good, yeah, that's the cool part.
All the hardware in here.
Oh yeah. Oh, so you got the fucking glue on.
Pre-oiled. Nice.
Ooh.
Thing is huge.
Yeah, boy.
There's a bunch.
Alright, hold on. That's the cone. I'm assuming this is probably the bracket. Yeah, this is the bracket.
Probably the 90-degree piping.
Yeah, I would hope so. There's the bracket.
Nice.
I got a nice strap on that. So this thing will fit pretty much any bike. It's like 1991 to like a 2019, I'm pretty sure. So.
Oh yeah. So then this is your 90 degrees. So that thing's gonna come out. Cone there.
It's gonna be a little something.
Something basically like that.
Something like that.
Nice.
That thing is big. Like a wall.
Throw that in there.
Oh. There. So the other thing that we got that I'm really excited about, that I've been doing a lot of research on, is that bad boy right there.
Fuel pack.
The Vance & Hines FP3 fuel pack.
Should be able to tune it on your phone.
Supposedly you just download the app onto your phone, iPad, whatever. You plug that thing in. It reads what kind of bike. I think you have to type in the VIN number maybe or something like that, and then there's all these different options. You tell them what kind of pipes you got. You tell them if you got an aftermarket cleaner, and there's already pre-dynoed maps on it, multiple ones, and it's from what I've heard, you just plug it in, map it, and you can unplug it. And also you can actually leave it in and auto tune it. I think you got to run through like a tank or two of gas. And it kind of like reads your bike, and you can tune it that way too, which is pretty cool.
A lot of fun. So we're gonna have a lot of videos on this one.
Yes, we were gonna be doing a video on my review on that thing. We're gonna be doing a video on the installation of that, and then we were probably gonna be doing a video at the end of
For the bars.
Yes,
The new exhaust.
and the new exhaust. I know you guys didn't see the video of that, but we'll go over that soon to come.
What's going on, guys? We're going to start the install of the Arlen Ness Monster Sucker air cleaner with Yoshi, the TKR garage dog.
Yeah. Undefeated in the pit bull fight clubs.
Alright, so we're going to start off by taking this beast off.
Might have to move so I can help, but you're good there.
Is there another one?
I think that that's just pulled down.
Yes, sir.
You want to grab that?
Maybe the blanket or the...
Yeah.
So now I just take these 3 bolts out, screws, whatever the fuck. Alright, that's out.
Okay, so now we gotta get sockets to fit in there.
What do you mean? Try that?
Maybe that side.
Working on the forearms for the last 3 months. Just the forearms, nothing else.
Alright. So now that should just come off, I believe. Like it, Clev! Beautiful.
Now we're just gonna take this bracket off. So now you put the new bracket on. You're gonna tighten these 3 screws, bolts. They're bolts. You don't want them too tight. Just so they're sitting in there snug. So now we're going to put in the breather bolts.
Gotta paint this thing with the primer number 94. Bro's gonna touch that red tape that Tyler's taking off.
This is dip. It's not coming off. Is that straight? Do I have to line it up with where you are?
You do have to line up this.
Yeah, right with that. But can you turn that? Can you line up with me?
No.
What that fucking thing sticks to me.
Alright, there it is. Arlen Ness Monster Sucker.
They ain't kidding about the monster part. That thing is
It's
mammoth.
look how big it is. It's huge.
Oh yeah.
Doesn't hit also, in case anyone was ever wondering. They're not gonna hit it.
Huge. It looks so good
Very
though. It looks so good.
Now they also sell covers for them, but they're like $200
For another
each.
$200, you can get a 4-piece
Cover have it in
but-
black and chrome.
It looks good, but personally, I don't think it's worth the money.
Maybe a Christmas gift
Yeah.
that could always be added on later.
But that was a very easy installation. So.
Very easy. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and be sure to check out the next video. It should be the fuel pack.
Next video will definitely be the fuel pack.
Get this baby
Stay
ready to
tuned.
go.
TKR.
Peace.